हेलो बच्चों, आज हम सीखेंगे A to Z। A for apple। B for ball। C for cat। D for dog। E for elephant। F for fish। G for grapes। H for hat। I for ice cream। J for jug। K for kite। L for lion। M for monkey। N for net। O for orange। P for parrot। Q for queen। R for rabbit। S for sun। T for tiger। U for umbrella। V for violin। W for watch। X for X-ray। Y for yak। Z for zebra. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.